What's up everyone, welcome back to Free to Be, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my results after a full year on user testing. User testing is a platform that I started using last year and I've made some real money doing it and using it, so I wanted to show you guys the results. I'm also going to be taking some time and showing you guys the app. I just started using the app on my mobile phone and actually qualified for a few tests using that, so I want to show you guys what that looks like. But first, as always, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me. We talk about financial literacy here, and I'm basically trying to build the blueprint for anyone to use to achieve financial independence. And in doing so, I'm going to be basically cataloging my journey. So if you haven't done so already, take a moment and hit the subscribe button for me. And if you have a chance, take some time and look through some of the videos that I've put up out there over the past year of being on YouTube. Okay, so let's jump right into user testing. And so we are here on my dashboard, and I'm going to go and show you guys that you see that you can take screeners online. They are far and few between in terms of qualifying for them, and I've gotten some feedback on my other videos about user testing about how you qualify. Well, really there's no simple answer, and it just comes down to patience. You have to be patient with it and hope that you do qualify for the tests that pop up. Like I've always said, I leave the browser open with user testing in the background. When I get a ding that a new test is available, I go and try to see if I can qualify for the test. But you'll notice, and I noticed, that throughout the year there were a lot of tests available in terms of screeners anyways for the app. So it started to pique my interest in seeing what I could qualify for that way. So before I show you my results, let's just hop into the app real quick and I can show you how to use that on your iPhone or Android. Okay, so you're going to follow the instructions that user testing provides in order to download the app. And once you have the app downloaded, you're going to go ahead and log in, obviously, and just launch the app. And now when you launch the app, it should automatically bring you to the page where it gives you all the tests that you qualify for on your device. And it's just as simple as clicking the Take Screener button. You answer a couple quick questions, and once you do that, it'll let you know if you qualify. If not, it'll take that test away, and you can basically go through it just sitting on your couch. And once you qualify for a test, go to a quiet place and take that test. It's very easy to do. It's very easy to navigate. It does ask to record your screen and your voice, but that's something that you're doing on the computer anyways if you're using user testing, so I didn't find it to be too intrusive. So I just downloaded the app and I've been using it. Now I think I've qualified for 3 tests total using the app, but it's definitely a great way to supplement if you can't be sitting around a computer all day. When you're out and about, if you have a moment to just go through all the tests that are available, and if you get selected for one, you can take a moment in your car somewhere quiet and take that test. So it's a great way to supplement the test that way. Now let's hop back into my desktop and I can show you guys my results after the first year. Alright, so if I go to the completed tests, you'll see that actually none in March yet, but I had quite a few that I took over in February as well as in January of this year. And if we count the January and February tests up, they're right around 22 tests over 2 months. So that's an extra $220 that I was able to make so far year to date in 2020. And again, it was, I had a couple days where I had a couple. So you see on the 17th, I had 2. Again on the 7th, 6th, 3rd, same situation in January. There were a few days where I had a couple tests that I qualified for, or some that I tested for and qualified for back-to-back days. But it is pretty random. You just have to kind of stick to it and take as many qualifiers as possible. Now the other thing I want to point out is not every tester rates you, so don't be discouraged if you don't get rated. I think I've had a total of 5 ratings. But basically, like I said, this year so far, year to date, it's been about 220. And just to show you guys, I've have been consistently making money on this platform. Here's some in December. Here we go, November. Here we go to October. We got some in September, August, July. Last summer was a little slow. I did a bit of traveling, so I didn't have that many in June. Here's May, and there you go. Back the whole year. Probably made close to about $1,000 on user testing. Since I've been using it now for about a year. And again, that's extra income that I didn't have. Doesn't take much time to do. I think on average a test takes about 10 minutes. So, getting paid $10 for 10 minutes of your time, if you, multiply that out to an hour's worth of work, that's probably most than a lot of people make working for an hour. So it's definitely worth the time. You definitely make some extra money doing it. And like I said, if you haven't tried it already or seen my original video, I'll link it for you guys, but check that out. Takes time, takes patience, but you can qualify for tests. Anyone can. There's ones that screen you out, so takes a few minutes to do those screeners, but it's worth it. Stick to it, and I'm sure you'll make some money using this platform. Alright guys, well that's all I had for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out my other videos on user testing to see some of the progress. And if you've tried user testing in the past, let me know. Or if you're using it now, let me know that too in the comments. Let me know what your results are. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our content. We'll see you next time.